My trailer is a 2017 Kaufman Easy 4. And I have these right here forever, man. They do wear out. The seal, time after time, depending who takes them off, who puts them back in. Because if you force it too much with these channel locks, you wear them out. So I broke one earlier because I was replacing the tire. So I went down here to Brake and Clutch on Fremont Street, and they sell these for $7. $7 not bad. So what I'm doing, I'm going to replace all of them, and these are see-through. I got one already put in over there if you want to take a look at it.
That's what he originally had, and this is his new one.
So what's good about these center caps, or I don't even know what you call these. I'll call them center caps for the wheels. You can see through it. You can see the grease. Were you able to see the grease over there? Did you zoom in?
Oh yes, you can see the grease. Purchased one, came back, and then once he put it on, he realized that it would be nice to have all 6 tires with those new caps. So he went back and he bought the remaining.
But here's another one. I think the new wheels that I bought, not the wheels, but the new drums. I think they come with it.
Oh.
But they're not see-through.
And of course they come with a little gasket, and he's putting on the gasket.
I bought 7. 7 because I'm gonna have an extra one in case somebody breaks it. You never know. These are called Dexter. They use them for either grease or oil, to check the oil level. In my case, I'm gonna check the grease. So you want to do this by hand. You don't want to do it with these because you put pressure on them and you break them.
So you're just doing it with that, like a tiny bit?
Yeah, because they're made out of plastic. See, right there. That's it.
Okay.
That's it. You don't want to put too much pressure because you break them. See, from here to here, that's how much pressure you put. Ooh, this one. That's it.
So we'll keep an eye on these and let you know if it's something that he likes or does not like, and why. This is his old one, and of course it gets filled with grease. So we'll see after time if we're able to see anything. Last one. Now if you happen to use these, let us know if you like them and what you think of them.
I'm gonna put these away. These are gonna be my